Hola Sol&Luna. Today we are in Palacio de Memoria. Sol&LunaTV. As you guys probably know, this is a mansion that was restored from the 1930s. There were several mansions in the area of Manila Bay, but because of the World War II, mostly were destroyed. This one was actually restored and is kind of like a museum. A proper museum.
People can have guided tours here and learn about the history.
Exactly. Today, actually, we're having a self-guided tour. Yeah, but you guys can come and book a guided tour here. So let's see what this is about.
Yes.
This is like a comedor. Do not touch.
There's a tiger in your sofa. Please do not sit here. I wonder, are they real? Does it say something in the brochure? Oh no, someone left a scarf. A scarf. Oh, we are in this picture. If you look closely, if you look closely, these are Sol and Luna from the 1930s. The red room. It's really red. So I guess the gray room is like for tea time. It's for merienda. This is the living room, the living area. I love it how they put the air conditioner behind this wooden stuff, so it doesn't like disrupt with the ambience, because it will look too modern. Like everything is great, old fashioned, but this air conditioner from 2021. Oh. Lions. Oh, nice. It looks like the owner of this house had a fixation with feline animals. This is not legit information. I'm just speculating because of the decor. More felines. What a surprise. Some people will remember this mansion because SB19 Josh Colin recorded his video Wild Tonight here. So some people might remember people walking and dancing in this area from the music video. And this tiger too. We are friends now because he smelled me.
We are now headed to the second floor. We can see more art here, mostly religious art in all these paintings. This painting here is interesting. Are these Carabao? Carabao? What? It's okay, maybe they're not. This is called the Villaroman Function Hall. Villaroman family was the second one to own this mansion actually. So pretty, made by Oscar Navarro. This definitely is new, not from the 1930s. Female Nudes by Jose Maria Rosello, 1950. This is a Satsuma style fishbowl planter. And it costs 30,000 pesos, but this is cheap. Yeah, this is, I think they do auctions because I saw auction item number whatever. And again, this is me speculating. I am not affirming nor denying. Oh, this one is in Spanish. The title is Yo veo a mi hijo como él me ve a mí. That translates as I see my son as he sees me. So it looks like, and this is a speculation based on the title, and not affirming nor denying. It looks like the artist painted herself as his son would paint her. Yeah, and that's why we have a simple drawing, and it's like the proportions are all as a kid would do it. Ah, you see. So this is, she painted her kid as he would paint himself,
and then well, you know what I mean. Like, it's an interchange. Like, she is painting her and her son as her son would paint. I love it. I think it's genius. It's a genius idea. This one is untitled, but it was painted by Jose Rodriguez Foster or Fuster. Well, that one looks very realistic, but it's definitely painted. And that one is by Himar Suarez. It's called Calle Triana, Geometric Visions. Let's go over here and see what we have. Oh, we have a CR. Okay, so I guess that we are not supposed to be in this room. Yeah. It's just CRs. So there's also jewelries.
From época.
Yeah, the most expensive one is this beautiful necklace with green bird-stones.
7 green bird-stones.
Yeah.
240K.
240,000 pesos.
We're here with a beautiful lily, guys.
Yes, if you are not following Lily's channel,
What are you doing with your life?
exactly, you have to subscribe so you can see like this tour, but in her perspective.
Exactly.
There you have it.
Tell the tour.
Okay, so basically what I'm going to be doing is a tour, but without me talking, basically. So you can enjoy it in peace, and hopefully it will turn out cinematic. Oh my God, I'm tired.
So it's very relaxing.
Music, relax.
Yes, I like that.
Video for you to,
To enjoy art and relax.
relax.
Yeah.
Relax. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Baba.
Let's do the TikTok here.
Falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
So right now we are going to, we can go inside, right? We are going to go inside of the RPC 7205. Is a plane that served in the war. It's not true. Oh my God, don't take me seriously. Oy. Oh wow. This is a private jet. Why do I feel scared of stepping in this glass? I feel like it's gonna break. Flight attendant Luna will take your order. I have Billion face in the picture, and it's like I'm gonna kill her later after this. Guys, this has been great experience for us. Thank you so much for watching our vlog.
And thank you to our patrons Belki, Emilio, Val, Mike, JT, Fred, Gabriel, and Nino. Also, huge shout out to our certified and verified Sol&Lunatics, especially Sherry Flor, Janice, Soju, Kenneth, AJ Primicias, Brian Cabusora, Eggy, Tish21, Yokagi-san, Stelberry Jen, V Jalía, Jan JT Teodoro, Darth Rager, WV, Lovelia Josephe, Richmond 27, and Marky Mark.
And now watch this video.
That is right here, recommended by YouTube's algorithm.
Especially for you.
So click on it
Right now.
Say goodbye, you now.